International Desk, the Iranian government is now resorting to cutting-edge technologies to enforce the hijab law. Despite criticism around the world about the hijab, the Islamic government of Iran is not ready to back down from its strictness. Now, women are being monitored using drones, cameras equipped with artificial intelligence, AI, facial recognition technology, and mobile apps. According to a United Nations UN report, the Iranian government is using digital technology to enforce a strict dress code on women and punish violators. For this, cameras with AI technology have been installed in public places and universities. Women violating hijab rules are being monitored using drones. A special mobile app has been created where people can complain about any woman. On giving the vehicle number, location, and information about the violation in the app, a notice is sent to the concerned person. On repeated violation of the rules, warnings are given through automatic messages, and punishment has been provided. Provision of strict punishment: Iran has implemented strict laws to make hijab compulsory. However, this law was temporarily suspended in December 2024, but if it is implemented again then, going out without hijab can lead to imprisonment of up to 10 years. A hefty fine of up to $12,000 can be imposed. Security forces have been given special powers to strictly enforce it. Under Article 286 of the Islamic Penal Code, women can be sentenced to death if found guilty of spreading corruption. Protests against hijab law. There have been protests against the hijab law in Iran for a long time. This movement intensified after the death of Mahsa Amini in police custody in 2022. The government took strict measures to crush these protests and got many protesters killed. Despite this, the Iranian government is adamant on strictly enforcing the hijab law at any cost.